The misinformed or the misunderstood, they don't even know what exactly I'm ranting about because they are mixing it up. Gaza fungus dissed me because I said I had 3 king's sons. That's when I declare Busy Signal, Mavado, and Kartel as kings. And them claim me a try water down cartel thing or undermine cartel thing because I said there are 3 kings. If there are 3 kings, it not take nothing from cartel as being the king of Gaza or the king of the world or the king of dancehall. All me know say me have 3 king sons. That's what Gaza fungus diss me for. Me and the Gaza fans them going back and forth recently. That's sincere. It's from last year Gaza fungus diss me. And me and the Gaza fans them going at it was because I said I like Massacre's songs over Tommy Lee songs. It wasn't anything about me and people telling me sucking my mother. So most of the Gaza fans misunderstood or they misinformed or they don't know exactly what's going on. So that's what I was writing about, and then you stated clear. It was an associate of cartel, someone who goes to his house. This wasn't just a random fan on IG or social media who he has no contact with. And as the people them said, as enough with this, the Grammy people them, cartel did gladly went and tried to disclaim or disapprove what Nuffy said about them. But when his associate tell me go suck my mother for no reason at all, he never tried to disapprove it or disassociate himself. So that's why I wrote and I vent against cartel. So you need to make these people know that it's total a different thing from what happened with the Gaza and the one side argument. And me saying me like what me like and people coming at me in the comment segment. And then, as you said, I'm the last leg of my career. No boy can diss me. And this is the age of social media. Everybody defend themselves. And I'm an outspoken person. I still like some man where I hide back at them page. I'm afraid for hands. I diss anybody, any man, any girl, any witch. When you come on my page and you chat way enough for chat, you're getting it. So I'm listening. And I'm hearing you declaring everything to them because some of them don't really know what's going on and I mean them feelings. But as me say, if people diss me over the Gaza and the head of the stream don't try to disapprove it or dismiss them, then the smoke are going to reach everybody over there. Sheep and shepherd, and that's my word.